You're so adorable. It will be your first Christmas.
Santa. What do you want for Christmas? What present you want Santa to give you for Christmas?
Bike.
Ah, you want a bike? Okay, let's ride the bike. We get those cheeks. One carrot is enough. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And he just woke up from his first nap. Theodore is outside playing so that he could sleep, but since he isn't feeling well, he is teething so badly. He has already two teeth in the lower one, the first two teeth, and now I think two more teeth is coming. So he isn't sleeping well. He only had 30 minutes nap. Now he's grumpy, and he doesn't even want to eat as well. Oh, poor boy, on a Christmas day. So today is December 24th, and tonight is Christmas Eve. Okay, Benjamin, what do you want? So we'll start vlogging now. It's been a while I haven't vlogged. It's because I wasn't feeling well, plus Theodore is at home. It's total chaos, so it's hard to vlog as well. So yeah, let's wait for your kuya to come home and see you later. Again. Oh. Okay, see ya. We bought Benjamin a playpen. It's so huge. I think my family will fit in here. It's 150 by 180 centimeters. It's the same as Theodore's before. So we bought him a new one. It's because I want him to have his own safe place to roll around and play, because Theodore is brutally playing right now. He doesn't care. Well, he doesn't know yet that he hurt someone with his, while he's playing. He thought it's just fun and all. So at least he has his own space, but it's taking a lot of space in our living room. But I'm happy. Look what Theodore did. He poured all the balls inside. Yeah, Benjamin? But are you happy with the balls? Let's clean it up later, okay?
You're so adorable. It will be your first Christmas. Look at your baby hair flying in here. When is that? Okay. You're so adorable. It's your first Christmas, right?
How do you feel on your first Christmas? Are you excited or not? Oh, you want the ball? Say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Feeding time for this little man. I'm feeding him Greek yogurt with banana on it. So Benjamin is upstairs now sleeping, and Theodore is here. Me and Theodore will make a letter for Santa for his wish list for Christmas. Santa. Santa. Okay, we will write letters to Santa. Okay, you hold the pen. Hold the pen. What do you want for Christmas? What present do you want Santa to give you for Christmas?
Bike.
Ah, you want a bike? Okay, let's ride the bike. My name is Theodore. Good job. For Christmas, I would like what you want? A present? What type of present? What type of present?
It's this.
Tiyo's turn. You want a bike, right? We will ride a bike. Bike. I have been good. You have to say that, Gubin. Good. Come on. This year. And then, to your right now. To your right. Come on.
Oh goodness.
Come on, you right. Sit down properly to write. T. And then T. Up. Good job! You wrote a T! Good job! High five!
The must
Yeah. So, my husband brought a card from Hamleys. It's a letters to Santa. So, we want him to know the traditions that you have to write letters to Santa so that your wishes will come true. So what you want for Christmas. So, now he finished writing it and then we will hang it on the tree. So, Theodore, remember last time that you have to put this one, the hole in here. Yeah, put it now. Come on.
Okay, put it up.
Okay, put it in. Here, oh.
Okay.
Did you pull the rope? Okay, good job, Theo. And then now Mama will tie it and Theo will put it on the Christmas tree so Santa can see your wish, okay? So Santa will see your wish. Okay, now you put it on the Christmas tree.
On the tree. Put the tree.
On Christmas tree. Up. Put it higher, Theodore, so Santa can see. You want there? Good job, Theo. High five. So this is Theodore's wish. What he meant for the bike is a motorbike, not a really bicycle. Because a motorbike, he calls it bike as well. So yeah, that's what he's been wishing for. And we already got it for him. It's inside the car. So we will wrap it tonight and charge it. And so he can play it right away in the morning. Now he's busy doing some coloring. Back with my boys. What do you want to do? Eat my camera? Look at those cheeks. Oh, they finish. Hey guys, already dressed in my Christmas pajamas. And Theodore too. Come on, Theo. Let's prepare Santa's food and the reindeer.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Go downstairs.
Yeah, go downstairs. Dashing through the snow. Yay! Mama pour, Theo pour.
You put it?
Okay. This is for Santa. Oh, no. Santa's milk. Okay, you put it here. You have to wait, Theo. Put it there. That's Santa's milk, Theo. Okay. Santa needs 2 cookies. Okay. And can you grab 1 carrot for the reindeer in the fridge?
Okay.
Can you grab a carrot? Oh, you're giving 2 carrots for the reindeer? 1 carrot is enough. 1 carrot, Theodore.
Don't do it.
1 carrot only, okay? Just 2 cookies for Santa and 1 carrot for the reindeer.
More.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Just put it back. We only need 1 carrot.
More.
1 carrot for the reindeer. 1 carrot only. Okay, 2 carrots then. Okay, 2 carrots. Okay, can you please close the fridge? You have to close this one first. You open this, Theo. Okay. Okay, Mama will bring the cup. Can you bring the milk? No. Can you bring the carrots
Okay.
on the table? Hold on. We will leave the cookies here. You can put the carrots here. And milk. Santa's milk. Okay. Say. Okay. And this is for Santa. This is for Santa. And milk for Santa. And this is for the... This is for who? Good job. So now, Theodore, Santa will come tonight. He will eat the cookies. Santa will eat the cookies and will drink the milk as well. And then the carrots, the reindeers will eat the carrots, okay? And then after they eat this, they will put all the presents in there for Theodore's presents and baby brother's presents, okay?
More presents.
Say, Santa Claus, more presents, please. Guys, the kids are asleep. So, time for mommy and daddy to prepare to be Santa for Christmas. So, this is what I prepared for our snacky snacks dinner. Ta-da! Did I do well? Complimenting myself. And of course, Theodore's food for Santa. We will eat it later. Most of the toys are wrapped. Only 2 more toys needs to be wrapped. I forgot about this yesterday. This dino egg that he will be smashing in the Lego one. And my husband is assembling the bike, his Christmas wish list. So I will show it to you afterwards, after he finishes it. So here's the bike. Theodore will definitely love it. And here are the presents for the boys. We'll need to set it up under the tree. So can't wait for tomorrow.
This little guy woke up. Come here, Benjamin.
He's teething, guys, and he's not, as I said earlier, he's not feeling well. So let him stay with us a bit and I'll put him back to sleep. So that's it. See you in the next one, which is Christmas Day. Thank you for hanging out with me, and like and subscribe, and see you next one. Bye.